Over the years I've made lots and lots of things with my jelly plate papers. I really enjoy using the papers up, and a lot of people who watch my videos ask me how I make them. So what I thought I would do is to start and show you. I can make small things like this little bracelet, but also use the jelly plate papers to make some rather nice collages. Now don't worry if you don't have any jelly plate papers and you don't know even what that means. You can use these scrapbooking pads, and if you're into mixed media projects then you've probably got a real stash of them hanging around and not knowing what to do with them. So this new set of videos that I'm starting, I'm going to be showing you how I made some of these and lots more besides. I promise you that they are very easy to do. They're not difficult, because if I can do it, anybody can do it. I'm not an expert. I don't profess to be an expert, but I am somebody who likes to use the papers up that I've used on my jelly plate. I don't like to see paint and paper going to waste, and also I don't like to see pieces of paper like this just hanging around and not doing anything with it. So that's really what I'm going to focus on here on in. It is as a request from a lot of people on my YouTube channel, and really I'm just trying to respond to their request. I hope you'll join me. It's not going to be like my other tutorials where it's edited so that I take out all the boring bits or the places that I've gone wrong. This I'm just going to leave the camera running, and if I make a mistake, I make a mistake, and we can all have a laugh about it together. So I hope you'll join me. It's like you joining me in my studio and standing over my shoulder and watching what I do. And I hope you'll enjoy the things that I make, and that you'll have a chance of making them too. So thank you for watching this. The new videos will be uploaded very, very soon. I'll give you an alert about that. Yeah, I hope you'll join me, and I'll see you very, very soon. So it's bye for now. Bye bye.